in this lesson I will teach you little more about the lines, right? In my previous lesson I have taken only one line. Now here I will take two lines and three and more than three lines. Okay, so what is the possibility how two lines we can draw? We can draw two lines in two different ways. There are only two possibilities. That means if you draw a line like this is one line and this is one more line. Now I will use the small letters. L is one line, M is one line. So here L, M are two lines. So this is one possibility. I will draw one more set of lines because here I am taking only two lines. So this is P is one line and Q is one more line. So P and Q are two lines. So in these two ways. Now here there are only two possibilities. One is like this, one is like this. So that means here they meet. If you extend it, what happened? If you extend it, it will meet somewhere. So they meet at some points. This is one way. And here they do not meet. Whatever you extend it, extend like that, extend like this, extend like this, they do not meet. These are the two ways. It is like railway tracks. You just go through the railway tracks, no meeting point. Okay? So railway tracks like. So if these two lines, if the two lines do not meet, we call them as parallel lines. Okay, only two possibilities. They do not meet, they meet. If they meet, we call them as intersecting lines. So there are two possibilities, two lines. Two lines may be intersecting, may be parallel. If they are not parallel, they are intersecting. If they are not intersecting, they are parallel. Intersecting means two lines are meeting at one point. Also, two lines will meet at only one point. Two lines cannot meet more than one point. If you want, you can draw the line. You take scale and draw different lines and check at how many points two lines are meeting. Okay? So, if two lines do not meet, they are called parallel lines, and otherwise they are called intersecting lines. Let us come to the three lines. Right? So now three lines I will draw specifically. I should use scale here. Now what I have drawn here, a special case. I have drawn all these lines through one point. Okay? Say if I say L is one line, M is one line, N is one more line. L, M, N are three lines. You can draw more lines also. So then if you can draw one more line, say this is one more line. I told you more than three lines. Say, let us say this is P. So now all these 3 points are passing through one point. That means all these lines passing through one point. That is O. In this case, in such cases, if three are more than 3 lines passing through the same point, we call them concurrent lines. Concurrent lines. That means for concurrent lines, you should have minimum 3 lines more than any number. So 3 or more lines passing through the one point, a same point, then we call these lines are concurrent lines. And this O we call it as point of concurrency. O is known as point of concurrency. So this is how. So now we can draw 3 lines in the other manner also. We can draw 3 lines like this. That means these 3 lines are not passing through one point. They are passing through different points. So like this there is a possibility of drawing, and like this also there is a possibility of drawing. This is a special case. In this special case, these lines we call them as concurrent lines. I hope you have understood. We will see in the next lesson.